Monongi banza kimbele, monongi banza kimbele, mono, mono. Monongi banza mama, wasala kimbele. Monongi banza kimbele, enchame ya utuke monwe, engindulu kupata kimbele. Kimbele, kimbele, kimbele. Monongi banza pangi zaman, ibanza kimbele, mono, mono. Monongi banza kimbele, ibanza mama, wasala kimbele. Monongi banza kimbele, ibanza nkakaye kwe, unjami ya usuke munwe, engindu mekubata kimbele. Kimbele, kimbele.
Mono ya tuka kimbele, masanga mabwidi, masanga mabwidi, masanga mabwidi. Monongi banza kimbele, kimbele. Monongi banza kimbele, kimbele. Monongi banza masanga mabwidi.
Kimbele kama mwana sisi na kwa mayande kimbele, kimbele, kimbele. Oh kimbele, kimbele kama ya sisa kwa ngina yeye. Kimbele kama mwana kata sisi na yeye. Kimbele kama ya sisa kwa ngina yeye. Kimbele kama kimbele. Oh, 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 oh.
Kimbele, kimbele, yeah, yeah.
Oh, 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 oh.
Mono ya tuka kimbele mama.
Oh, 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 oh.
Kimbele, kimbele, kimbele.
Oh, 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 oh.
Mono ya tuka kimbele, monongi banza kimbele, monongi banza kimbele, mono, mono. Monongi banza mama, wasala kimbele. Monongi banza kimbele, enchame ya utuke monwe, engindulu kupata kimbele. Kimbele, kimbele, kimbele. Kibanza Kimbele, Mono, Mono. Mono Kibanza Kimbele, Kibanza Mama, Wasala Kimbele. Mono Kibanza Kimbele, Kibanza Kakaye.
Kiambote, Gizambote. Oh, hello. Welcome. If you are watching, we thank you. Don't move. We are going to learn Kikongo, the language of Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is Kikongo is spoken in.
Can you hear me?
Can you help, please?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear. Kikongo is spoken in.
Okay.
Oh, it's spoken in Angola, the Democratic Republic of Congo, the Republic of Congo, and Gabon.
Thank you very much. Angola, Gabon, Congo, DRC, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much. You are far from your mic, Tata. Are you far from your mic?
Am I? I don't know. Can you hear me?
Yeah, but
I can hear you.
down. Okay.
Is it low or is it high?
Yeah.
Like,
A bit better now. It's fine. Don't worry. It's okay. Okay. Tutondele. Nengwa tadiwa. Lunama vimpi, eh?
Ingeta tuna mavimpi yeyenwe.
Itepe tunama vimpi. Tutondele. Tatale. Lunama vimpi.
Ingeta, tunama vimpi, tutondele, yeyeno, eh?
Itepe tunama vimpi. Tutondele. Tata Neurdeni, are you brave enough?
Tonama Vimpi.
I'm asking you, Lunama Vimpi, are you well? How are you? You're
Ingeta.
Tunama Vimpi, yes?
Tuna Mavimpi.
Yeah, good. Inget Tunama Vimpi. Yeyeno, eh?
Yeyeno, eh?
Yeno, you remember second plural. And you?
Okay, yeno, eh? Oh.
Tutondele. Thank you very much for your time. Recap, quick one.
Yeno, eh?
We're talking about any questions about interjection? Letter E. Kikongo.
I wasn't here last week, so I missed it.
Let me just bring my. Okay. Let me just share my. This one, yes. Remember, this is a grammar. Usual text, usual class. The book we follow is from Professor Azokata and Pastor Makonde. Remember, that book's for talk, yes? Remember what the Professor Azokata said? But we need to go back from time to time to grammar. So this one, Kikongo grammar. Can you see the date?
Yes.
And the Congo, 1887. Tata, can you see the date?
Yes.
Can't go wrong, you know. So, E, let's call it, let's say in Kikongo, yes? Talking about Bantu language, Mm. Tata, can you read for us, please?
Yeah, in, interrogative interjection E is used at the end of an interrogative sentence which has no interrogative pronouns or adverbs. Ayi, Nki, Nkia, Nani to mark its interrogative character. But when such interrogative adverbs or pronouns are present, it is not used.
Thank you, Tuton Dele. Remember, standard Kikongo question, rule of thumb is you always have your A at the end, yes? Remember VMP, yes? Remember that?
Huh?
Mhm.
Kikongo question.
La vimpi.
I can say, Kembo de Tata David, sorry. Kembo de Tata David.
Yamute.
Uh, if I say Lunama Vimpi, listen carefully because this is a tonal language. I'm not perfect. I always ask for help. One of our advisors is in Rwanda. He is very good at tonality. The phonetic, yes. So listen carefully. Tone, Kikongo tonal language. When I say Lunama Vimpi, Kata Nerudeni, can you translate for us? Lunama Vimpi. Kambote. Tata
Tembo.
Bela. Lunama Vimpi. Tata. Yeah.
You are well.
Can you say it again, please?
You are well.
A bit of nuance. Yeah, good. Tata, David, please.
But if I say,
No. Sorry, Tata, 1 minute. I'm saying because I can't repeat it twice. Otherwise, I'm going to give you the answer. I'm saying Lunama Vimpi. Full stop. Tata, David, what do I mean in English?
um, I think exactly what Mabiala said, because we did not put the A on the end. It's just saying you are well.
Thank you very much. Yes. Tata Norden, yes.
Yeah, can you hear me? I thought I said that. You are well.
It is not a question. I didn't get that. Sorry.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
you are well.
You are
You,
well.
mhm.
Get this. A bit of change. Lunama Vimpi. Tata Mabiala.
Are
Translation.
you like you are well? Yes.
It is a question. Are you well? Yes.
Yeah.
Tata Ale, yes.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Except what we learn is now. Pay attention. Yes. Except when we have AE in Ki, in Kia, Nani. Are we okay? Never tell you, yes? You're on mute, never tell you.
Yes, I'm okay.
Are we clear on that? Kikongo question is A at the end, except if you have Nani, Nani mean
Okay.
who? So as soon as you start with who, you know that it is a question. You don't need, as soon as you start with 90, you don't need A at the end. There's no need for A. I'm saying A. I mean A in Kikongo. I'm not saying E. A. Are we okay with that? Are we? Any question? Are we clear? Is it clear?
It's very clear.
Yeah. Nani umbokele. You wouldn't say nani umbokele. No. Nani umbokele. It's clear. It is a question. Who is the question? In Kianzo. What house? You don't say Kianzo, eh? No. Kikinamo. Kikinamo. What is in it? That, how do we say? Ask in Kikongo. What is the time? Remember, I did send you a link. Not a link. I did correct
Kia
text. Mm,
Kia tangwa.
Full text. Remember, Tatane? Did you read it?
Oh, sorry.
I'm going to tell you.
Is it Kiantangu?
Yeah,
Kiatango, right?
Kiantangwa. There's one piece missing. There's the Kiantangwa. Tata Nurdeni. Kiantangwa. Kiantangwa. Kiantangwa tuna. Yes.
Oh, Kiatangwa tuna. Okay.
Remember that I did send a sentence here.
Alright, let's
Oh,
do
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
Yes. Kiantangwa tuna. Okay. Remember numbers. Okay, we ask a question. Tata Alain. Tata Mabiala will ask Tata Alain, please. Kiantangwa tuna. Tata Alain. We will. Ngunga. What does Ngunga mean? Ngunga is?
Of the clock.
O'clock.
Yes, but I didn't send the text. Tata Nurdeni.
I'm trying to find the text now.
Ngunga. You're not wrong. Ngunga is a bell. Bell. Yes?
Mm.
Bell. Yes.
Yeah.
Bell. Ngunga. Ngunga is a bell. So we use Ngunga for time because in Africa, I mean, we're going back centuries, yes? Our time, we didn't have watch, clock, nothing. So our time is when you're observing the sun, the movement of sun, this is how you work out the time. That's why I ask Kiantangwa. Some people ask Kia Wola. Wola is order in Portuguese, yes? Wola, Wola, Kia Wola. We don't use this. No, you should not because we're going back Tangwa. Tangwa is
The
what you are
sun.
observing. This Tangwa is sun, yes.
Yeah.
Tangwa is sun, planet, but it's time as well. We use it for time. Question, Tata, very good. Okay on this.
Yes, I'm good.
Okay. Tata,
I have a question.
go ahead, please.
Yeah. So you're saying that the question of time is actually based on where is the sun in position to the earth? I mean, that's basically what you're asking, right?
Yeah, this is what forefather did. I mean, this.
Yeah, I mean, that's brilliant. I mean, it gives you a really good understanding of where you are as opposed to.
Yeah, no wonder.
Yeah.
Sorry, Tata. Carry on. I missed your last bit.
I was saying it's brilliant. It really gives you a better understanding of where you are as opposed to the watch.
Yes, but if you flip it, the downside is we are always late at meetings. No, Tata, remember. because if you ask African, why are you late now? Why are you late? Did you check your watch? No, I'm checking the sun, the movement of the sun. Yes. Afternoon does not depend on my watch. It depends on the moon. You know, the moon, the sun.
It's
Where the
funny.
moon?
Maybe that's where they developed those what they call hourglasses. You know, everybody had one walking around with them.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. We are good on that. Let us move this new topic today. We are going to learn any idea Kibeni. Teta Mabiala. Kibeni.
Kibeni. Kibeni means a lot, really, isn't it?
Yeah, you may be right. Let's see.
So like Tondele Kibeni.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you very much.
Good.
Yeah.
But we are going back to Mbanza, Congo. Mbanza, Congo means that Mabiala Mbanza, Congo.
Capital of Congo, city.
Yes, Mbanza means city, yes. Kibeni. So we're going back to. Can you see can you all see my screen? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
We can see.
Kikongo grammar, we're going back to 1887, Mbanza Congo, by Jean Lenvo and William Bentley. Remember, this is the first Kikongo English dictionary. Basically, the first Kikongo dictionary. But please read my lips. You can't see me anyway. Sorry. I mean, the first ever was just a translation from Spanish to Kikongo. It was I can't remember the name. I keep forgetting his name. A priest. But one person. But this one was a teamwork. I don't remember what I said last time. Hmm. This one was a teamwork. The dictionary and the grammar. I think almost 15 best linguists at the time, and it took almost 10 years.
Mhm.
Did you get that? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So this is you're on safe ground because languages. I mean, as you know, languages they do change. You know, languages they do change. Words change. But this we're going back. At least we are safe here. We are sure we'll learn from the source. Tata, Ali, can you read for us, please?
Sure. Kibeni must be classed as an indeclinable adjective. Its prime sense is usual, ordinary, customary, in general use, regular, normal.
Thank you. Tata Mabiala, can you read the first line, Kikongo, please?
Mvwatu Kibeni.
Oh, well done. Good. Tone, yeah, because Kikongo is a tone, you know. As they say, Kikongo, they say that French, the beauty of French language is in writing, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Tata David, you're here. You are the man. This is your field. The beauty of French language is in writing. I mean, I went to school, primary school, French, primary school. Very hard to write in French, very hard. But this is the beauty of language. Okay, if you flip it over, Kikongo language, the beauty of Kikongo language is your tone. Yeah, thankfully you're doing well because one word, if I say, remember, I keep saying monadio. Mm, sorry, let me change. Yeah, monao. Let me see it. Keep listening. Yamonao. It is, yeah, I did see it. Did you hear that?
No, could you say it again, sir?
Yes. If I say, let me write it down.
Yamonawo.
Yamonao. Let me just.
Okay.
Hold on. I mean, this is. It's not easy. Yamonao. Yamonao. I mean, long sentence. I just picking these words. Long sentence. Yes, something. Then you say Yamonao. Hmm? Ya Monao. Yes? Ya
Yes.
Monao. Let me see it. Hmm? I'm going to change. I'm going to shift gear. Ya Monao. Did you hear the pitch that Nelden, yes?
Yes. Yamo
Yeah,
now.
this is Kikongo. Tonal language. Bit of change, you change everything. So,
So if we were writing it, will it be written the same way, or would there be some kind of accent over the O?
no. Oh, okay. We, 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 we don't write Kikongo with accents. Yes.
Okay.
Any accent you see just for the purpose of learning it. But when we write Kikongo, I guess any other African language, just yeah, more now as it is. No worry. So I mean, this is it. Yeah, more now. Let me see it. Yeah, more now. Okay, past. Yes. Then can you read the second line, please? The Nuiza. This one, please.
Louisa Muna, Lumbu, Kibeni, Kia, and Longo.
Thank you very much. Luiza Munarumbuki Beniki and Longo. Come on. Basically, from this top, we have Kibeni means, just make it easy for you, Kibeni
Mm.
so far means ordinary, yes?
Mhm.
Something regular, not special in that sense. Mm. Okay, now, then what I do, the last line, Kikongo line, the last line, please.
Kwiza yandi kibeni.
Oh, sorry, you're right, sorry, no, I meant this one, this one,
Okay.
Etona, yes.
Etona
Etona,
etona kibeni dia
Wivwa,
wiva wow.
Mushrooms, Wivwa, yes. Just remember this is, Kibeni means regular, something normal.
Ordinary.
But take note, we are changing now. Tata and everything you can read for us, please.
When used with the personal pronouns, it is expressed in English by the suffix self or with the possessive pronoun by own.
Thank you very much. First line, Tata David, can you read for us?
Mhm.
Please.
Kwiza ke kwiza yandi kibeni.
Thank you very much. Well done. Kwiza yandiki beni. Kibeni. Remember, self, himself. Here, pay attention. Almost like pronoun of insistence. Yes, kibeni in this case. Yes. Kwiza yandiki beni. He is coming. He himself. We mean Yandi is him. Yes, himself.
So help me understand what Alan just read before. When it's used with a personal pronoun, it's expressed in English by the suffix self. So the ke in front of kwiza is what you're talking about there.
Yeah,
It's
quiza is
kibeni
a
at the end.
verb, as you know, quiza is to come, yes?
Yeah.
Quiza ke quiza. The repetition is just like the insistence. Remember pronoun resistance, yes, in this case. It is not the same, but almost the same. Quiza ke quiza, yandiki beni. Did I answer the question? Because got the
Yeah.
self, yeah, when used the pronoun is expressed in English by, the translation into English, yes.
Okay. Okay.
But the most important thing to remember here is the top one, just the meaning is regular, ordinary, yes, the meaning Kiben, top one. When we move here, it is a bit like pronoun of insistence. Any questions, sir? Sorry.
No.
Okay, we
I'm understanding it.
you don't get it.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, okay. Let us see if we can use a simple sentence. But did you understand this at the top one, from here?
Yeah.
This one, the Kibeni, the meaning is just regular, something regular. Can you see on voile to Kibeni? Regular, when we say Kibeni here, we mean just normal clothes. It's not the Gucci or something, it's just normal thing. Niza Lumbu Kibeni, come on regular day. No, nothing special. Here we have normal. Kibeni here is normal. When you move here, it's not easy because we have to translate Kikongo, Bantu language into into English. But here, in English, by the suffix self or the translation, Kwiza ke kwiza and the Kibeni. In English, you use self, yes? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
The way you understand it in this case is Kibeni here is just like a pronoun of insistence. Enzo Kibeni mpe ividi. His own house. Because if you say his house is Ben, it is correct. So when we say on, it's like saying, using a pronoun of this instance. Are we clear that Terideni?
So are you saying so is it an emphatic or
Almost, I mean, the nuance, almost emphatic. Because see the translation. Let's see the English. Where this one, his own house. Okay, remember this is very old English. Tata David, you are the person. Yeah? This is the old English, 1887. You say you your own self, yeah.
Mhm.
You your own self.
Yeah.
His own house was burned. Let's say was burned. His house would be enough. Should be enough. Should be correct. Am I right? Yes. Tata,
hmm
if you say his house, it is his house, own house. Yes.
yeah.
I know it's not easy to understand. Kibeni. Okay, let's put aside. Let's go back to. We're going back to next time. We're going back again to this. Tata Neruden, any questions?
Yeah, so Kiza Kekwiza and then Yeno, it's would be kind of reflexive, right? It's like he himself or you yours.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
then the E Nzo Andi Kibeni is his own, is showing ownership.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So I
Yeah.
understand. I'm just E Nzo. I see the Andi, which is showing in what they call it, emphatic, but the
Mm-hmm.
E Nzo is the part that I'm a little bit confused about.
Nzo is house. Nzo is house.
Okay, okay, so it was just before. So
Nzo is house.
Kibeni Mpe Mbidi. So which part is it is showing the ownership, his own?
You mean the Kikongo here?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Andy. Nzo Andy. Hmm?
Andi.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
Nzo Andy.
Okay, so this essentially is a reflective. It's kind of yeah. It's a
Yeah, you are. Well,
reflexive.
that I never done. Yeah, I think that is the best one. The
Yeah.
best way to understand it is reflective. Yeah, from here. See, get quiza. Mm. On self. Yes. Okay.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yes. Remember. Okay. It is not easy, but remember the easiest one. The easy thing. The easy thing to remember here is ordinary. Yes. Then we have a reflective here. Yes. That. Maybe all questions.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, but the dilemma is nowadays the kibeni, the way it used is not the original way.
Hmm.
That this is the challenge. Okay, take it as it is. Okay, let us go to a talk. To come, Tatane, Kikongo, to come.
Quick quizer.
I'm not coming at all. Remember, we're losing Lendi. Let's make it a song, like a chorus every day. Lendi and emphatic. I'm not coming at all. Tell him, please.
Uh, ki quizer kwamiko.
Well done, but you drop your lendi. Remember, lendi before your verb, then your emphatic after the verb.
I thought Lindy was cannot.
Sorry?
I thought Lindy was cannot like the ver
Yeah,
the
yeah, I'm asking, what was my question? I don't even remember, because I said that I can't come at all.
oh I can't oh okay so ki Lindy quizer kwamiko.
Bravo, yes. That time be allowed. We can't come at all.
Um. Is it Lulendi?
Remember, we were talking about first plural?
Um. My mind's gone blank.
No, tell you. No, no worry.
The tuna. Tuna.
Oh, two, yeah, two.
Yeah, start your. Where do you start? Start Mabiala. Katu.
Uh, yeah, katu kwizako.
It is correct, but
Katu
you're missing
lendi
your length.
kwizako.
Then you're emphatic after the verb, please.
Yeah.
Oh, katu lendi kwiza kwenoko.
Wait.
Kwetoko.
Well done, well done, well done. Is that already? Yes?
Very good.
Is it clear? That's already?
Yes.
Well done. Okay, they can't come at all. That's already. Use your lendy and emphatic, please. Are you doing that already?
They can't come.
Third plural.
So it's ba. Is that correct? Ba. They.
Yeah, good. Yeah, but you remember all your Kikongo double negative, always. We have extreme left, we have ka or ki, then extreme right, what do we have?
Okay.
Name
So
what I do? We have ki or ka. Yes. On extreme left, then extreme right. What do you have? That have you extreme right?
Nako.
Yeah, thank you very much.
okay. So
New name, please.
yeah. So the part that I'm confused is it ba ka lendi kwiza.
As I said, your extreme left first always negative. Ka or ki. Ka ba, yes.
Oh, kaba. That's the part. Okay. So
Go ahead, please.
kaba lendi
Mhm.
kwiza kwameko.
Emphatic, third plural.
Okay.
Kabalindi kwiza.
Kwaoko.
Bravo. Tata David. You many. You can't come at all. Second
Okay.
plural. Tata David, please.
Yeah.
I'm going to help ka. You begin with ka. Ka. Then.
Yeah. Kalu lendi kwizako.
Well done. You're just missing one bit.
Oh, let's see, for the final one, would it be kwameko?
Sorry?
Would the final one be kwameko?
You're talking about second plural. Kwame is you, singular, first singular.
Right.
Eno, eno, the suffix. Kalulendi kwiza kwenoko.
Kwenoko. Okay.
Yeah. We can't come at all. That's the same question again.
We can't come at all. Katu, lendi, kwiza,
Good.
kwatuko.
Kwetoko, yes.
Kwetoko.
Yes. Well done. Thank you very much. Nengotadiwa, you single. You can't come at all. KU. Well done.
It's cool. Okay.
Yes, KU, yes.
Kulendi kwiza.
Yeah.
Wunako.
Kulendi kwiza. Remember
Kwaku.
Well done, yeah. I think we are clear on this. Let us move quickly. 15 minutes. Let's go for no more talk. No, I assume there's no question. Yes, am I right? Well done. You're doing well. No, we're going back to 1887. Yes. In total and grammar, 1887. Yeah. Okay, now remember we are going to apply it is our chorus. Every day we're doing this. Use your lendy and emphatic, please. And what are you asking that Allen? Just read the first line as it is, please. But that Allen,
Tata Allen.
negative.
Tata
You
Allen.
answer negative. Lendy and emphatic, please.
Tata Allen. Oyeno
Mm-hmm.
Nusinga Kosoke.
Thank you.
Hello.
No, negative, that Allen, negative.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
Ve.
Ve. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
que. Let me see.
K2, K2, K2.
K2.
Mm-hmm.
K2. Uyetu.
That Allen,
Lendi. Yeah.
give 1 minute, sorry, that Allen, sorry. Remember, pay attention, please. Remember, singer is. My computer is freezing again. Singer is our auxiliary, yes?
Auxiliary. Okay.
Lendy is the same. So we're dropping singer, yes?
Yes.
We're dropping singer. That one again, please.
Yeah, okay. Ve. Lendi.
K2, K2.
No, K2 Lendi. Kosaka.
Kosoka.
Kosoka. Kwetuko.
Well done. It's Lendi Kosoka Kwetuko. Tata David. Tata David in Kikongo. Tata David, you ask a question to Tata Mabiala. You reply, Tata Mabiala, please. It is
Okay.
Lendi, using Lendi and you emphatic.
Oyeno Nusinga Leke.
Thank you.
And do I answer like myself first?
As it is, just two, please. First plural, please.
Negative.
Yes, please.
Ki Oyeto
You drop hello.
Kilendi.
Sorry.
Huh?
No, you start with you don't use hello. What do you use instead of hello?
Ki
Negative.
V.
Well done. Yeah, carry on, please.
V. Kilendi le kako.
It is us, we. You saying Katulendi, yes? Tata Mabia, Katu.
Oh, I thought you said first person. Oh, okay.
No, sorry, my mistake. First singular, plural.
Okay.
V.
V.
Katu.
Katulendi le kako.
Well done, but you're missing your insistence.
Katulendi le kakwetoko.
Bravo, yes. Questions. Now, Tata David. Tata, Neruda, you're going to ask Tata David, please. First line as it is. Then Tata David, remember, you're dropping hello. You're dropping singer, yes? Dropping hello, use the negative. Then singer, we're dropping this one, using Lendi. Tata Neruda, please.
Tata David. Oyeno Nusinga Butu.
It's okay.
And I'm answering in which pronoun?
Sorry, Tata David,
Singular or first person singular or what?
Sorry, Tata David, 1 minute. Tata Neruda, can you read it again, please? Because make sure you asking a question. Make sure your A, don't miss that. Otherwise, it is not a question. And it wouldn't be a question. Tata Neruda, please.
Tata David Onyenu, Lusinga, Vutuke.
Well done. Thank you. Negative, Tata.
Okay. As myself, first person.
Go ahead, Desmond. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Then I would say
You
ve.
drop in L, you drop in L, yes? Mm.
Yeah. Oyeto lendi butuka kwameko.
Don't worry about yeto because yeto is the as. Yeah.
Kwatuko.
Ve kilendi.
Ve kilendi
Vutuka.
butuka kwetuko.
Kwameko. Kwame. You.
Oh, it would be the Kwame. Okay.
Yeah, first, yeah. Thank you very much. That you ask a question that is going to answer, but you replying as a we, sorry, a second plural. Tata, please.
Oye no musinga dia, eh?
Thank you. You know, singa die.
Die. Oye no musinga die.
Thank you.
You said second plural.
Yes, negative. Yes.
Ve kalu
Mm-hmm.
lendi
Yes.
ya kwenoko.
Well done. Yes. Engwatadiwa. You asked Tata Nerudeni. Tata Nerudeni, you reply as it is. First plural, please.
Tata Nerudeni. Oyeno Nusinga Bingile.
Yes. Thank you.
Ve Kilengi,
First plural, please.
Kakulendi,
Mm-hmm. Vingila, your verb, yes?
That's what I'm trying to figure out how to say that word. Vingila? Vingila?
Vingila.
Okay.
Vingila. Long vowel. That's why you have a double E, yeah? Because there's a long vowel. Vingila.
Oh, Vingila. Okay. So there, Kakulendi, Vingila, Kwakuko.
As. First plural.
Oh, ours, Kwetoko.
Well done. Remember, it is not wrong to use this total, yes? To use oyet, but you could say ve oyeto ketulendi vingila, yeah? But don't worry about yet. There's no need to say. Did you get that total?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't worry about it because I want you to get used to lendy and emphatic. Okay, I think we're stopping there. Unless there's a question. Questions? Yeah.
Yeah, Vingila is to wait.
Yeah, Vingila, yes. Make sure it is, how do you call it? Vingila, long vowel. Yes?
Okay, Vingila.
Yeah. Normally, you wouldn't write like this. But this is just for teaching, yeah? When you're learning, this is, we call it, tonal, what's the word? It is
Phonetic.
sorry. It is
Phonetic.
yes, phonetic spelling. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
it's how it sounds. Yes, that's what we learned in this. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Unaya Cuvue. Who's going to give me a note? Cuvu. Let me write Cuvu. 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 Kivu. Luna ye Kivu, eh? Who can translate my Kikongo? Tata Mbela.
Kivu.
Translate my sentence. Luna ye Kivu, eh?
Say that again, I can't.
Luna ye Kivu, eh?
Muna ye Kivu, eh?
Luna ye Kivu, eh?
Luna ye Kivu, eh?
Tata, you know, this is you should know what I mean. Luna ye Kivu, Tata.
Does it mean are you understanding or something?
Almost there, eh? Tata, Luna ye Kivu, eh?
Kivu.
Tata David, Luna ye Kivu, eh?
Do you have any questions?
Well done.
Oh,
Luna ye Kivu, eh? Luna ye
Okay.
Kivu. Let me try to rephrase it. Luna
Luna ye
Luna Kivu, eh?
Kivu. Luna Kivu.
Yeah, Luna ye Kivu, eh? Kivu is singular. Guess what is the plural of Kivu? Question. question.
Is it
Just remove the K.
yeah,
You've, yes.
Huh.
Just remove the K, you have your. I mean, there are many irregular forms in Kikongo. Tutondele. Okay. Who can ask this question? I'll give you this is the hint. Nani. Use Nani. Use Nani, but you ask a question. Who is going to come?
Nani Ekwiza?
Well done, Nani quiz. Why not Nani quiz, eh, Tatale?
Because you're what is it the interjection?
Well
If
done,
you're
you good, yeah. What are we going to eat today? Nengwa, tell you. You are the cook. Kikongo translation, please.
Okay.
What are we going
The
to eat today?
mean key to sing dear.
Well done, yeah, but just remove the singer because singer usually is a bit further, future, yes? In terms of future. We're talking about right now, yes? Then, yes? Are you there?
Yeah. So what would be the word instead of
Kitu
what we
dia
said?
uno.
Kitu diawono?
Kitu dia uno.
Kitu diawono.
Why not kitu dia uno, eh? Tata mabiala.
Kitu dia uno.
Why don't we say kitu dia uno, eh? Tata David, sorry, Tata mabiala. Why don't we say kitu dia uno, eh?
Yeah, not sure at all.
It's because we have Tata. Go ahead, please help us.
No, I'm in the same boat as Tata
No.
Dani.
You gave the same answer. You gave the answer. Same.
I mean, but I don't see it as part of the interjection.
It is.
It is.
Did you see the text? Did you miss it?
I thought it was just Yi, Nki, Nkia, and Nani.
Yeah, key to yeah. I'm using key. Yes.
Oh, Nki.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Key. Yes. Key to
Negative.
I got it.
Why don't you say key to? Why don't we say key to the uno, eh?
So it's actually NKI, not KI.
It is N. Well, you just put it right because next
Okay.
it's in
That's the
nasal.
confusion.
Better yes.
Yeah, and kitu dia.
Not N key, N key. 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 Remember, these are language, not the French. Because the European people, they remove the N because they can't pronounce it. I mean, It is in key, the nasal. Tutondele.
Okay.
Tondele. Let me say hello, someone's writing. Okay, see. Tata Ale, can you translate please?
Mavimbi Meno Congo. Hello, Mavimbi Meno. I guess I hope. What is it? Mavimbi is how are you doing? Right.
Meno.
Meno is you all.
Yeah,
Right.
you, I mean, hello to you.
Hello
A
to you.
Congo. A Congo, I mean, Congo people, yes. With K. Careful. K. Tutondo. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank
And
you.
for your Sunday. Linda Kambote. Tata Nurdeni. See you next Sunday.
Yeah.
Kembote. See you next Sunday. Sala
Okay, thank
Kembote.
you.
Lala
Salam.
Campbell.
Okay, Linda Kambote. Bye.
Eketu ketu, yangani.